Welcome to CIU Labs, an initiative of Cambridge Intercontinental University. Hey there, cybersecurity warriors. Today I'm diving into the sophisticated world of APT threat hunting, specifically focusing on email tactics. We're not in an incident response scenario, so we have the luxury to take our time and carefully analyze our steps. Our intelligence has flagged a significant threat from a group known as Snuggly Alpaca. They are not to be underestimated, but rushing isn't the answer either. So let's strike a balance. First things first. Where do we start? Initial access, command and control. There are plenty of factors to consider, but I decided to kick things off with initial access and follow through to the adversary's final actions. Each technique needs to be investigated on its own merit, as if we don't have any prior information. This way, you can apply these strategies independently in your own threat hunting endeavors. So, initial access. How did the adversary breach the network? I don't need a crystal ball to tell me it probably started with a phishing attack. But hunting for suspicious emails can be tricky. If you're using Office 365 or Gmail services, there are built-in tools for automated email analysis and filtering. In our case, the research team, who proudly called themselves CIU Labs, decided to get official with their operations. They set up an internal SMTP server and created CIU Labs email addresses. This internal setup worked, perhaps a bit too well. Our intelligence hinted that Snuggly Alpaca often uses PHP mailer in their phishing campaigns. Knowing this, we can trace it back to how emails are crafted and sent. Just like HTTP traffic tracks user agents, email traffic can reveal similar clues through what's known as X headers. However, email standards are more generic than HTTP, making it tough to sift through these data fields. This means we need to get creative or be ready to spend a lot of time analyzing logs. Fortunately, having some friends at CIU Labs pays off. I managed to get unfiltered access to the SMTP server. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and see what we can uncover. Ready? Enter to the world of advanced network threat hunting.